press the bell icon and never miss a single Quick Reaction Team video.
Do girls check out beggars and trash pickers?
Check out beggars and trash pickers.
What? Like? Why would we like?
Do you check out beggars and trash?
Yeah, maybe sometimes.
How can we check out beggars and trash pickers? Yeah.
Why not? Like,
That's
what is wrong with
ridiculous.
that? How should a shy guy approach a stranger girl that he likes? He has also stated that even I tried it once, but I started fumbling.
Oh, that's a toughie.
Don't fumble, yaar. What's to fumble in front of a girl? It's just a girl. Approach more and more girls.
What do you think that boys usually prefer what? Cute and chubby girls over hot girls?
Hot girls.
Hot girls.
Cute and chubby. For hot girls, we are attracted to them. For some time, you see. No. Just a joke going on.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Quick Reaction Team, and I'm your host Pranoy. This week we took some of your funniest comments to the streets once again. So guys, without wasting any time, let us just sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. Do girls check out beggars and trash pickers?
I'm sorry?
Do girls check out beggars and trash pickers?
Check them out.
Yes.
I don't think so.
Have you ever seen any girl checking out a beggar?
That's just weird, man.
I think whoever asked this needs to go to a shrink because that is not true at all.
We definitely have sympathy, but we never checked out any beggars. No, we try to run away from them.
What do you think? Have you seen any
No,
girl
I don't
checking
think
out
so.
a
No.
beggar?
Not like
Did you
that.
ever check out any beggar?
No, not at all.
If a guy would be so handsome that a girl would check him out, he would not be a beggar, of course. Yeah.
Did you ever check out any beggar?
We don't.
No. Do you? Never did.
It's creepy to ask something like that.
Did you ever check out any beggar?
No, man. Why would you do that? No.
People today go for personality rather than their status or something like that. If its personality is appealing, then you can.
How should a shy guy approach a stranger girl that he likes? He has also stated that even I tried it once, but I started fumbling.
I don't know. Nobody's approached me.
See, in that case, all you have to do is, and all you must do is, gather some strength, confidence.
Like, what do you do? I've been noticing you since a while, and you look very attractive. I like to know you better or something.
Very good.
You should practice more often, I guess. Yes.
But it's better. He can be perfect, at least at some stage.
We'll go straight and ask her about that. I've really seen you somewhere and...
That's boring.
Do you think that?
No, that's not boring. No.
Just approach her. Like, if she doesn't, show any interest, then nothing's gonna happen. Forget about her. Get another chick.
They could be scared as hell on the inside, but they have to show as if they're really strong on the outside.
Then what can work?
What can work? Maybe you're very attractive and
No.
Yeah.
She'll just say no then.
Start a conversation. Just say hello, hi.
Maybe he should get some good pickup line.
If it's a really good one, then.
Okay, can you help this person out with a nice pickup line that can work? Chalti hai, nahi gyara. Okay.
I think regular compliments would work
That
on
can
me.
work.
So yeah.
So let's say if a stranger guy, similar case, whatever you're suggesting, a same type of guy approaches you, are you going to entertain him?
I don't know. I won't. It's not after him.
After him?
No, I don't think so because I'm in a relationship. Otherwise.
Yeah, for sure.
Did you ever approach any stranger girl that you like?
I don't have guts to approach a stranger girl.
Do you think a shy guy can get
That is the thing. See, that's the point. If you're shy, you have to become a little smart. You have to be able to at least walk up to the girl and talk and say your name and ask hers.
Don't lie. I know your stories.
Fatti hai. See, my mom stays on Facebook all the time and it's really annoying. It's like she doesn't care for me anymore. Even when I ask her for food, she doesn't entertain me. What should I do here?
Same question. I also have that. My mom is also.
on Facebook all
Yeah.
the time.
Turn the Wi-Fi off.
He should totally find a new mom.
Find a new mom.
Even my mom is like that.
I don't really know what to do about that.
He cannot do anything. My mom is same. I cannot do anything.
Exactly same feeling.
सारा time मम्मा Facebook पे.
सारा time मेरे से ज़्यादा actually वो active है.
I have blocked my mom.
You should probably post it on her wall.
Post it on her wall. Then mom, I'm not liking it.
Mom, I need you. I need some food.
I need some food.
Change the password and don't let her know that I've changed it.
I've tried a lot of things. I've even messaged her on Facebook. She doesn't
respond.
She doesn't respond. She's always with her friends.
It's okay. If we are addicted, our parents can also be. So it's not a big deal.
My mom is like really on Facebook. Like she's scrolling the whole time.
She'll get depressed and then maybe she'll start cooking.
Basically, make the mom suffer.
Kind of.
What are you going to suggest to this person?
Well, best of luck.
Yeah, best of luck.
First order karo.
Cook something. Yeah, I mean seriously.
He should learn cooking.
Get a new mother, period.
What do you think that boys usually prefer what? Cute and chubby girls over hot girls?
Cute and chubby.
Cute and chubby?
Cute and chubby, yeah.
Hot girls. I think they prefer hot girls. I think hot girls with brains are more in right now. Yeah.
My friends, they go for girls like they are curvy, curvaceous body.
I think guys get attracted to those hot women more. Yeah. Tell me.
Cute girls.
Cute girls.
Yeah. It depends.
Depends on what?
Depends on what.
I think like, every guy has their own maybe category or something
Chubby girls attract more.
If you just want to see, then yeah, obviously you should for the hot ones. But in if you want to get into a relationship, then obviously cute and chubby.
What do you prefer? Cute and chubby girls over hot
I
girls?
would say cute and chubby girls.
Not cute and chubby, cute and hot. Like cute face, but zero figure.
Combo hona chahiye. Zero figure. Is he being honest? I mean, do guys usually check out cute?
No, they definitely check out the hot girls.
Hot girls?
Definitely.
सब चाहिए तेरे को, सब चाहिए तेरे को.
इसका भी zero स्कूल के बच्चे और ज़्यादा नहीं. Wait. Check out these super cool features now on your mobile phones and other devices. So check out these cool videos by clicking right here and subscribe to our channel by clicking right here. Like and share this video as much as you can and help us reach 2 lakh subscribers. I'm going to see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 PM with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye.